friends, welcome to Rainy Days. Hi friends, today I am going to do a rain stick. I have been asked to do this project by my music teacher. And it will require few things that are at home. Now let's get started. I have two rolls. Now I'll stick the rolls together with some glue. Now with the help of masking tape, I'll secure it again. I'll stick one end with clear tape. I have got some aluminum sheets. Now I'll crush them. Now I'll twist it. Now I'll put the aluminum foil that I twisted inside the rain stick. I have some black eyed beans, rice, and lentils, which I'm going to add into the rain stick. I'll stick this paper here. Now I'll trim the edges. Now we're all done. And now let's hear the sound that it makes. I had an old gift wrapper from my old gift, so I'm going to use it to wrap it around. This is how it has turned out. I enjoyed making this a lot. The sound is so soothing, and yes, I wish, and I'm sure my sister will love it, and hope she does not break it. See you all soon. Bye bye, and please consider subscribing to my channel and press the like button. See you all soon. Bye bye.